Hey, I'm Chuck from Lake to Lake. And in this video, I have to admit that I made a mistake. Don't be a Chuck. And where I made my mistake was in the RV hookup. Don't make these mistakes. I made a mistake. I suggested that you use this hose splitter from Home Depot. I called it the cheapo from Home Depot. Well, turns out that this is not for potable water. And I need to thank Kenneth Pigeon 2032, where he asked if all these components were lead free, and he commented, "I don't think the splitter is." Well, I looked up on the website and found out it really does not have any lead, and it looks like it just has brass and rubber, but it does specifically say it's for outdoor use only, and it's not for potable water. Actually, it says it's not for drinking water. So, my bad. I made a mistake. I didn't do my research like I should have done. And thanks to one of my comments, one of you out there watching, you called me on the table, and I just had to admit that I was wrong. So, it did take me quite a bit of research to come up with and find some products that are for potable water. So the one that I did find that is for potable water, is a blue, let me get this right, it's a Go Blue Tech 3-way hose splitter, stainless steel from Go Blue Tech. It's safe for drinking water. It specifies that it's certified by FDA, ANSI, and NSF approved for potable water systems. And it is a 3-way splitter. It's a little more pricey. I'm going to admit that. I'm not going to, we can't hide around that fact. But if you do need one, and you are concerned about being for potable water and drinking safe, then you need to buy this. Again, I made a mistake. I just want to own up to this, and I want you to know that I read the comments. And if somebody calls me out when I've made a mistake, I'm going to let everybody know about it. So anyway, I think that'll wrap this up. I hope you keep supporting my channel and until we meet around the campfire. Y'all take care now. Bye-bye.